In this video I'm going to show you how to translate a website on Safari and iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone or even iPad or any literally Apple device that you can get. You need to open Safari, and as you can see now we do have the website in Polish. Probably you don't understand this, so let's say you have the same problem. So what you want to do is to click those letters AA next to the address of that specific website and then click Translate Website. Then you're going to be asked for the language that you would like to translate. Also, you can go to preferred languages and set them. So let's say I want to translate it to English. And now I've got the translated website. Also, you are going to be asked, if you are doing this first time, to allow translating. So you just need to click yes. And as you can see, now we do have the translated website from the Polish to English. So again, if you want to go back, so again just now click in the same place, but there is now another icon, and then just click view original, so you are going to be back at the original website. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.